This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. An estimated 85.61% voting was recorded in repolling across 7 booths in Kokrajhar and Dhubri Lok Sabha constituencies of Assam yesterday. Repolling was conducted in 2 polling stations in Dhubri and 5 in Kokrajhar. While the 2 booths in Dhubri recorded around 85% polling, it was 85.85% in the 5 stations across Kokrajhar. Assam had 3-phase polling for 14 Lok Sabha seats with a total average voting of 81.52%. The Railways has given permission to the Meghalaya Government to set up an entry and exit point at the state's only railway station in Mendipathar, even as Chief Minister Conrad Sangma assured the government will take up all measures to address the issue of illegal immigration. Informing this, the Chief Minister said work on the facility would begin this month. He also exuded confidence that setting up of the entry and exit points in different parts of the state would help ease the concerns of NGOs and the public about influx. The Chief Minister said discussions on resumption of work on the Tetelia-Birnihat-Shillong railway line have been held at different levels. He had held detailed discussions about the railways project in Meghalaya with officials of the North-East Frontier Railways last week. Meghalaya has no railway connectivity barring the Mendipathar-Dudhoi line. The ongoing stalemate at the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences NEIGRIHMS continues even as surgeries in the cardiology department are not taking place since last week. However, a statement from the institute said that the department is functioning now. According to reports, the service of the HOD cardiology of NEIGRIHMS at Shillong has been shut down since last Wednesday following difference between the director Dr. D.M. Thappa and the cardiology department over purchase of stents and pacemakers. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya government has decided to intervene in the continuing standoff between doctors and the administration of NEIGRIHMS. 2 children died and 5 others of the same family have taken ill after consuming wild mushrooms at Nongsanrang village in the West Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya yesterday. According to reports, the mother of the 2 children aged 2 and 4 years had collected the wild mushrooms from a nearby forest. Meanwhile, village elders have cautioned the people against consumption of wild mushrooms, fruits and vegetables from the forests. They have also urged the state government to spread awareness among the general public on the harmful effects of consuming wild vegetation and help identify the right kind of plants fit for human consumption. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) announced the results for Class 10 examinations yesterday. Of the 17.6 lakh students who appeared for the examination, 91.1% passed. 13 students share the top position with 499 out of 500 marks. Girls have done better than boys by 2.31%. Trivandrum has performed the best region-wise with 99.85 pass percentage, followed by Chennai and Ajmer. The results are available on the CBSE website www.cbseresults.nic.in. The CBSE will be providing Class 10 digital academic documents such as mark sheets, migration certificate and pass certificate through its academic repository Parina Manjusha, which is integrated with DigiLocker. The Tripura government yesterday appointed Additional Secretary in the Home Department Saradinder Chaudhary as the new District Magistrate of Dhalai District. As the District Magistrate, Mr. Chaudhary will also be the new Returning Officer of East Tripura Lok Sabha constituency. The state government appointed Chaudhary as the new District Magistrate with the approval from the Election Commission of India, a state government notification said. Mizoram's capital Aizawl on Monday recorded a maximum temperature of 36.7 degrees Celsius, the hottest day in the last 20 years. For Aizawlites who live on the top of a hill 1,132 meters from sea level, any temperature above 32 degrees Celsius is always warm. The minimum temperature yesterday was 17.6 degrees Celsius. It was the hottest day ever in the history of Aizawl since 1999 when temperature recording began in the Mizoram capital. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.